Leslie McDonnell here with RE/MAX Select Properties. Today I'm standing in 2703 5380 Oben Street. This home is a lovely one-bedroom penthouse level suite. Oh my goodness, the views from here are so spectacular. This building was built in 2006. It was built by BOSA and developed by Concert Properties. Are you looking for a good value home in a great neighborhood and one of the best units in the building? This is that home right here. Penthouse, 27th floor, south facing, gorgeous views, and very efficient floor plan and use of space. If you would like more information on how you can see this home, buy this home, be in this home, talk to me, Leslie McDonnell with RE/MAX Select Properties. My direct line is 778-838-2378.